Hello everyone, welcome back to DDEDU. Today we are going to learn an important modern topic. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing means promoting products or services using digital platforms, such as internet, social media, websites, search engines, and mobile apps. Let's take a real-world example. When Nike promotes shoes on Instagram or YouTube, that is digital marketing. Types of digital marketing.
There are many types of digital marketing. 1. Social media marketing, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. 2. Search engine marketing, SEM, Google Ads. 3. Search engine optimization, SEO, ranking on Google. 4. Email marketing, promotional emails. 5. Content marketing, videos, blogs, posts.
Why digital marketing is important? Digital marketing is important because it reaches more people. It costs less than traditional marketing, results can be measured easily, small businesses can compete with big brands. Conclusion. So, digital marketing is the future of marketing. It helps businesses connect with customers online and effectively. If this video helped you, like, share, subscribe to DDEDU. Thank you for watching.